Worst gift wrapping experience ever. All right, I am being a little dramatic and I'm probably exaggerating, but this was not like something I was expecting at all. Like, at all, from Sugar Paper. So it was a huge disappointment. Let's talk about what happened. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. So today's kind of an unboxing, more of a rant, or just like, I guess, customer mismatch on like what I expected and what I got instead. So Sugar Paper, as you know, has beautiful planners and they do beautiful designs. I've done a lot of different unboxings here. They charge an extremely high price point. And so finally, this last time, because it's Christmas, I thought for my last purchase, I would go ahead and pay for the $10 for gift wrapping, which, you know, in the grand scheme of things is not a lot of money. However, I just wanted to see it because if you go into Target, which is really the only place you can buy wrapping paper from Sugar Paper, it's like absolutely breathtakingly gorgeous, right? It has beautiful red and white stripes, but not cheesy. They look very high end. They even have tutorials on their blog on how to wrap a present correctly. And with the ribbon and everything else, you just feel like you're having this magical experience. So when I checked the box for the $10 to have gift wrapping, I thought this would be, well, gift wrapped, but instead it was not. It was not gift wrapped at all. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what I got. It arrived in a plain white box, so I actually wasn't even sure where it was from. There's absolutely no branding on here. And it's a thin cloth bag, I guess. And it has the cute little dots. It has the strings here at the top, like a drawstring. And then here's my 2021 monthly planner that I ordered, which I actually am not a fan of. They had the cute dot one, but that sold out in like 2 seconds, so I didn't get that. I just got this just so you could see this gift wrap that they had, because I was like, how is it just $10 for gift wrap no matter what? I guess it doesn't matter. I had another friend who purchased a bunch of stuff. She confirmed the same thing. It doesn't matter how much stuff is in there, you just get this one bag. So yeah, so that's it. That's all there is to see. All right, so I mean, it's not ugly. It's a cloth bag. Like, you should just say you're getting a really thin cloth bag and that's it. It's not really gift wrapped. It's like I think like the word gift wrap should have been taken out completely from the checkout process. It should have just said cloth bag with some dots on it. I mean, it's cute, but again, it's not gift wrap, especially when they have all this stuff on their website about gift wrapping and how beautiful their gift wrap paper is. And they have tutorials on it and they have ribbons and everything else. So I was expecting something pretty, something that's not a cheap thin cloth. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But let's just talk in general. Should you offer gift wrapping on your items? 100% no. I think it will significantly increase your cost unless you are a retail brick and mortar and you're able to wrap it up for them right there on site. The actual process of gift wrapping something, especially because your products probably all come in different sizes, make it just too cumbersome and too cost prohibitive for you to do to pay a fulfillment center, which I'm sure they would do it for you to provide that service, especially because gift wrapping, I imagine the reason this was just so cheap and just so generic is because that's the only way they were able to do that for the $10. But again, I think that you could do the cloth paper thin thing, which I think was very cheap for them to do, but make sure you call it a cloth paper bag and not gift wrap, in my opinion. I don't know. Let me know what you think. This was just a random video I did just because I was so surprised by what I got. All right, remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day and all the things that you ordered were exactly how you thought they would be when they arrived. All right, I'll talk to you guys next week.